Next, I am proceeding to chemistry in the service of mankind. Chemistry in the service of mankind. Now, number one, there are three different things under that. Chemistry in medicine. Chemicals used for different medicinal use called medicines or drugs. Number one is antipyretics. This is medicine used to bring down body temperature. The medicine or example under this head is your phenacetin, paracetamol, aspirin, etc. So, antipyretics are the medicine used to bring down the body temperature. Jara hele am khaiba. Number two is analgesic. These are medicine used to relieve pain. These are painkillers, you can call, either muscle pain or headache, etc. Decreases body pain. Example is your most of the medicine which are used as antipyretic can be used like phenacetin or aspirin, etc. One of the best analgesic medicine is FPC. It is a mixture of aspirin plus phenacetin and caffeine. This is also used a best analgesic medicine. Third one is antiseptic. So, antiseptics are the chemicals which kill or prevent the growth of microorganism. That means microorganism cannot grow when we apply antiseptic. So, this can be used to wounds, ulcer, cuts or diseased skin, etc. The medicines used are formaldehyde, chemicals, formaldehyde, mercurochrome, tincture iodine, hydrogen peroxide, potassium permanganate, etc. These are used as antiseptic. That means it can be used for wounds, cuts, ulcers, diseased skin, etc. Fourth one is antibiotics. Now, antibiotics are defined as chemicals, substances produced by microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, molds, etc., which inhibit or which check the growth of or destroy other microorganisms. It is obtained from microorganisms. It also helps to or check the growth of other microorganisms. In 1929, first antibiotic was prepared by Alexander Fleming. It is named as penicillin. Other examples are streptomycin, CEIN, and tetracycline, etc. So, this antibiotics has penicillin, tetramycin, streptomycin, chloromycetin, etc. They have got a wide range of application. They can be used to cure TB, typhoid, or dysentery, acute fever, pneumonia, etc. So, for most of the cases, doctor prescribes antibiotics. These are obtained from microorganisms like bacteria, molds, fungi, etc., and used to check the growth of other microorganisms. So, it has got wide spectrum. It can be used for TB, typhoid, dysentery, acute fever, pneumonia, etc. Fifth one is antacid. You know, when your stomach is empty. So, overproduction acid in the stomach leads to ulcer. At that time, we use antacids, metallic hydroxide like magnesium hydroxide or aluminum hydroxide are now used as antacid. Previously, some bicarbonates, etc., used, but that causes gas, carbon dioxide gas. Next is antihistamine. Now, histamine is responsible for nose congestion associated with cold or allergy produced by pollen grains. Sixth one, antihistamines. It is responsible for nasal congestion associated with common cold or sometimes allergy due to pollen grains. The antihistamine we use are ranitidine and cimetidine, etc., used as antihistamine. Seventh one is tranquilizers. These are the class of compound which are used for the treatment of stress and mental diseases. Mental diseases. Some of the examples are phenalgine, equanil. They are the medicines. So, tranquilizers are used for the treatment of stress or mental illness, etc. You use phenalgine, equanil, etc. Next is disinfectant. So, these are used to sterilize objects, like inanimate object, like instrument. It is also used in the drainage system or washing the floors, etc. The chemicals used as a disinfectant is 1% solution of phenol, chlorine at very low concentration of 0.2 to 0.4 ppm means parts per million in aqueous solution. And also sulfur dioxide sometimes at very low concentration can be used as disinfectant. It is used for inanimate objects, for cleaning floor, sterilizing instruments, or drainage, cleaning drainage, etc. Different example I have given you, 1% solution of phenol, sometimes chlorine 0.2 to 0.4 parts per million, sometimes sulfur dioxide also. Next is anti-fertility. These are used for birth control. Examples of northintron and ethinyl tridiol. These are used as anti-fertility. We use for birth control. And the last one is antimicrobials. These are used to inhibit or check the growth of microbes like bacteria, virus, fungus, etc. Or to destroy microbes. Now, the medicine used as antibiotics, antiseptics, or disinfectant can also be used as antimicrobes. So, this is all regarding chemistry as a medicine. Next is chemicals as food. We use chemicals as food. Number one, artificial sweetening agent. Now, you do know, if you take a lot of sugar, it increases the calorie intake of your body, causes diabetics. So, therefore, you use artificial sweetening agents like saccharin, sucralose, aspartame, these are sweet, but it will not cause the diabetics. So, we use as an artificial sweetening agent. We use chemicals also as food preservatives. Now, food preservative prevents spoilage of food. नष्ट कर दबोनी. The commonly used food preservatives are common salt, that is sodium chloride. Sometimes you use sugar, that is sucrose. Sometimes you use vegetable oil, achar phachar dekho tu. Also you use sodium benzoate. And sometimes you use salts of sorbic acid and salts of propanoic acid. These are used as food preservative. That means to check the spoilage of food. Nashta hobo nahi. Third is antioxidant. This prevent oxidation. Examples, most of the fruits, almost all fruits are antioxidants. All kinds of fruits, and oxalic acid, phytic acid, tannic acid are different antioxidant. So, we use chemicals for food purpose. Number one, I have told artificial sweetening agent. Second, food preservative. Third, antioxidant. And the last one is soaps and detergents. Soaps and detergents. Soaps are the sodium or potassium salt of higher fatty acid like stearic acid, palmitic acid, oleic acid, etc. Either sodium salt or it is prepared from oils and fats by the hydrolysis of oils and fats by using either sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. This process is called saponification, important. So, saponification is the process by which oils and fats are hydrolyzed by alkali like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Now, the sodium salt of these higher fatty acids, when we use sodium salt, we get the soap which are used for cleaning clothes, but the potassium salts are potassium salt of oleic acid is very soft, more soluble in water, therefore it is used as toilet soap, potassium salt as toilet soap, or also used for shaving soap, as a shampoo, also liquid soap, etc. Now, soap has certain advantage, also it has got some disadvantage. Advantage is that it can or it is easily biodegradable. Advantage, it is biodegradable, therefore biodegradable, it causes no environmental pollution. But the disadvantage is it does not form leather with hard water. Since hard water contain calcium and magnesium salts. So, lot of soap is wasted when you use water is hard. So, this is the disadvantage of soap. So far the detergent is concerned, these are the, now it is prepared in the synthesized detergent. This is mostly sodium paradodecyl benzene sulfonate. These are synthesized materials which has got cleaning properties, or sodium lauryl sulfonate. Detergent having cleaning action. Now, it has got an advantage, it can be used with hard water, since it does not form insoluble salt with calcium or magnesium ion. But it has got the disadvantage that it is not biodegradable, Therefore, it causes environmental hazards. It helps the growth of algae in the water channel, growth of algae. In the water channel. So, both soap and detergent have some advantage, also some disadvantages. So, under the head chemistry in the daily life, we have discussed medicine, we have discussed chemistry used as a food, and soaps and detergents. So, thank you.